Hi! Dito! Ano? Ano ba yan?
Say hi sa camera.
Ngingingi.
$500 unleaded. Paki yung windshield ah. Wala ba dyan yung ano ko? Yung face mask ko? Wala dyan? Hindi mo nakuha?
Wala. Ama and angkong. Uy, hindi
Oo.
tayo punta doon.
Next time na tayo kay Amay Nangkong. Okay, next time na kay Amay Nangkong, okay?
Ano yun? Figaro.
Figaro Group, hindi lang coffee. Ewan ko ano pang meron dyan. Pizza meron.
Yung video, video. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heh. Like, nagpagas tayo. Wow. Yung car wash. Yung car wash.
Okay. Alright. Okay, kailangan magbayad tayo, mag-pay, kailangan may money. Okay, pang-buy ng gasoline, pang-buy ng KFC. Okay?
KFC.
Oh, yes. Oh, wait lang. Oh. Uy.
Ay.
Sandal.
Wait. Stop right. Creamy. Ano creamy? Creamy. Where are we going? Alam mo, gusto tayo punta?
Where are we going?
Where are we going? Where are we going?
She drives too.
Ah, okay. Happy ka? Happy ka? Happy ka? Happy ka ba?
Yeah.
Ah.
Ano buy natin sa drive-thru? Ano buy natin sa drive-thru?
KFC.
Ano nga buy natin?
KFC, what? Ano ba buy natin
Ano
sa KFC?
buy na food? Anong food buy natin? Anong food buy natin sa KFC?
Hmm?
Uy, anong food buy
What do you
natin sa
want?
KFC?
Ano gusto mo sa KFC?
Uy,
Ano gusto mo buy natin sa KFC drive-thru?
KFC drive too.
oh, what food? What food do you like?
Chicken.
Chicken. What else?
Ano order natin? Chicken?
Chicken, gusto mo? So you want spicy chicken? You want spicy chicken? Ay, gusto mo spicy chicken?
No.
Ano gusto mong chicken? No original?
Sandal, sandal.
Ay, sandal-sandal. Miyam. Ay.
Sandal.
Okay.
Sandal. Sandal.
KFC.
Sige.
Sige, Pi.
Sige. Tayo mo mahulog ka. Masagasaan ka.
Order na.
Oh, Yuri.
Chicken.
Bucket of chicken? Bucket?
Crazy.
You like gravy na? You like gravy?
Yeah.
Aba!
Hmm.
Ba, gusto na ng gravy, ah.
Oh. Which one do you like there?
Chicken. Gravy.
Gusto mo yung may Sprite?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes ka dyan. Tapos kapag binili na, ayaw mo na. Ah.
Yes, yung 8 pieces bucket meal.
May rice and cake and chicken lang.
Magkano pag chicken lang?
570 po, walang piraso.
Sige, chicken lang. And
Original first.
original and no breast part, okay?
Okay, ano pa po?
Yung ano nyo, yung fries nyo,
Regular large.
regular lang.
Okay, 7 minutes lang yung fries, sir.
Isa lang.
Ano pa po?
Yun lang.
Isang regular fries, isang 8 cake at chicken lang, sir. Okay pa, nag-thank you.
Next time, ikaw na mag-talk, ha? Ikaw naman to. 8 pieces chicken. Pay and pick here. Shortcut pa. Pay and pick up here. Pay and pick here. Pay and pick here.
Heh. Hoy. Hoy.
Look at the camera.
Smile.
Say hi.
Smile.
Smile.
Hi, we're here at KFC. Come on. We're here at KFC drive-thru.
Right?
Smile.
Nag-order kami.
Smile.
Nag-order.
Smile.
Nag-order kami ng chicken.
Chicken.
Isang regular price, tapos bakit ito dito? Ano lang, 600
No breast part, ah.
May bread na lang break.
Hey, slowly. Wait lang. Oh, okay. Oh.
Ay. Ayan.
Yun na yung ano dyan, yung fries.
Init.
Baba mo.
Wait lang.
Hindi mo kailangan yan. Baba mo lang.
Ah! Ano ba yan? French. What are you eating? What's that? What's that? No. What's that? What are you eating? Ay, just one hand lang. Ay, nako. One hand lang. Hold. Ito, hold yung plastic. One hand lang. Right hand lang. Right hand lang. Nako. Ma-messy. Ma-dirty yung car.
Kaya mo naman. Ganun talaga. Hindi mo give si Dichi tsaka si Daddy. Ha? Hindi mo kami give ng french fries? No? Si Dichi, hindi mo give?
Can I have some french fries?
Ay, sus.
Thank you.
Oh, what will you say? You're welcome. Social talaga pag KFC.
Kasi sa kanila yung pinakamasarap ng french fries.
Kasi may coating.
Tsaka iba rin french fries.
Kaya mas mahal. May konti. Yung code na lang chicken yun ang kinapaw nila dyan.
Ba't? Ang dumi ng t-shirt.
Oh, dito lang kayo ha.
Goes sa video. Can we have one more? Can we have one more? Oh, sige, thank you. Last na to. Testing lang naman kita. Si Daddy. And then we have chicken. And then, almost done na.